Okay, so in this video, we're going to do problems 32, 33, 34, and 35. So looking at 32, I see that I have an angle that's formed by two secant lines and that it's located outside the circle. So I know my formula from the formula sheet is going to be the outside arc minus the inside arc divided by 2 will equal angle 1. So let's do that math. So I have 92 divided by 43. So doing that gets me 92 minus 43 gets me 49. So this is 49 divided by 2 equals angle 1. And angle 1 therefore equals 24.5 degrees. Okay, moving on to the next one. I see again I have an angle formed outside the circle. This time it's formed by a secant line and a tangent line. Okay, this is the tangent. This is the secant. It hits the circle twice, here and here. Okay, so the rule of thumb for that is you take the larger arc minus the smaller arc divided by 2, and that gives you angle 1. So if you're going to take 138 minus 66, that gives you 72 divided by 2 gives you 36 equals angle 1. Moving on to the next one. Here you have chords that are crossing inside. What happens here in terms of the x values is the following. I have no angles involved at this point. So I'm going to say the segment here, so let me highlight some things. Okay, the two numbers that are part of this segment multiply together. So that's going to be x times 24 will always equal the two numbers that make up this other segment. So that's going to equal 16 times 27. So you would say 16 times 27. On the right-hand side, you would get 432. That now equals, I'm going to just change the order, 24x. Divide by 24. Divide by 24. And you should be getting x is 18. 35 is very similar to it. So you have the components of this chord, which is 8 times 5, will equal the components of this chord, which is x plus 4. Excuse me, x times 4. Go back. So x times 4. 8 times 5 is 40. Equals, changing the order, 4x, divide by 4, and I'm getting x equals 10. I'm going to write it this way because that's the proper way, and I'm getting x equals 10, and that finishes this video.